everyone, my name is Kezia and this is my little corner. If you like what you see, I hope you can join my lovely family and maybe give me a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. I post every Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 p.m. GMT +1. That is aka Moda time, because that's where I'm from. Anyway, today's video is going to be all about some new Shop Miss A products. I would like to thank Shop Miss A for sending me these products and giving me this opportunity to test out their products. Absolutely appreciate it so much, so thank you so much, Shop Miss A. Yeah, so if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start testing out some Shop Miss A products. Let's go!
Okay.
Let's begin testing out some Shop Miss A products. I am so
excited.
Okay, so the first thing that I want to test out is one of these fruity pop flavored glosses. So we have these two right here. The packaging is adorable. I'm just going to put this on just to like help moisturize my skin. So one is in strawberry and one, not my skin, moisturize my lips. I am so sorry. Anyways, one is strawberry and one is peach. I prefer strawberry, so oh, they have a nice smell. Okay, so I'm going to test out the strawberry one. Woo! This reminds me of something when I was a child. Oh my god. I'm just gonna leave it on, and I said, you know, then I'll take it off, but till I do my face, I wouldn't mind having a gloss. But these remind me of, I used to collect S Club 7 magazines, and they had given me a lip gloss once, and this is what it reminds me of, one of the lip glosses in the subscription magazine of S Club 7. If you ever had that magazine, comment down below. If so, then you're a 90s girl like me. I like these lip glosses. They're not sticky, which is very funny because usually lip glosses are sticky. But this one is not. It just bounces off and it's comfortable on my lips. So if you're a lip gloss lover, I'll link all the products down below so you can check out the description box. So the next thing we're going to be trying out is their new foundation. Well, their newish foundation, because I received this a while ago, I have to admit, and I haven't had the chance to film this video by. I've been meaning to film this video, and I hope that doesn't take long for me to upload it. So basically, they are these ones right here. It's the AOA Foundation A+ Buildable Satin Foundation. So I have 3 shades, and I'm just wondering which shade I have. So there's shade 303, which is buff, and then we have 302, which is fair ivory, and 301, which is porcelain. I think I'm gonna go with fair ivory because usually I'm this kind of shade. So it says that we have to shake well. Yeah, and I actually also have these 3 products right here. Like Shop Miss A do various things. They do scarves, they do accessories, they do makeup, and then they also do makeup accessories. So I have this one right here, which is the Cube blender holder. So it's a blender holder, which I already have one, and I actually got it from Shop Miss A. But I can't wait to actually have this new one because it looks more aesthetically pleasing. So something like this. So this is how it would hold it. And I also received, this is really cool, like I would really like, I prefer this to this for sure. So have myself a new blender holder, which looks better on my vanity. And then we also have Microfiber Wonder Blender and the Wonder Blender, both by AOA Studio. I'm going to be using this one because this has the same sign of the foundation, but I'll be definitely trying this out maybe in another video where I don't use just Shop Miss A products, but this one looks really pretty actually. I kind of like how this looks. But yeah, let's try this out. This has a flat, how funny. This is like, this is the Morphe one, and this is the Shop Miss A one. So I'm just going to go dampen the sponge, but then look how cute. Look how cute. Isn't it cute now? Yeah, look how cute.
Yes, you are so cute.
Okay, I have no life. Anyways, so I'm going to go dampen the sponge and I'll be right back. So, my sponge is dampened. All I have on my face, by the way, are my brows and my eye makeup. The rest, and my mascara, of course. So, now we're... Oh, dear. That's the first mistake that we did. Okay, so now we're going to be testing out the foundation and I'm so excited. I'm also going to be using my new blender from AOA. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, so just going to start blending it out now. I also have a moisturizer underneath. That always obviously helps. I like this blender because it's kind of shaped well, so you can really angle it however you like, in my opinion. So there's that, which is good. Okay, so the coverage for me is quite minimal. So I'm going to actually put another layer. How weird, it's like taking off the product in some places as well. I don't know if that's the sponge and not the foundation now. So yeah, just remain patchy over here. So this is after 2 layers. I don't know, in some places I feel like, I think it's a sponge as well. You know what, I'll just use it with my normal sponge and I'll just see how I feel with the normal sponge. Let's just give it a shot. I'm just gonna try with my normal sponge, guys. The sponge is cute, however, I feel like it wasn't blending my foundation very well and it was like mostly removing the product from my face, so that is not really good. The thing I like the most about the sponge though, I give it this, is over here, the shape of it. So I think using it for powder would be something good, and I actually give it a shot because I want to see if I can set my concealer with my concealer, if I can set my concealer with the powder using the sponge. We'll definitely use that. The foundation, I think you have to build it up if you want to create the coverage, if you want to create a medium coverage, if I say so myself, because it's still very lightweight, even though I applied 2 layers. And once I applied it with my other sponge, with my normal everyday sponge, it wasn't being patchy, so it was patchy because of the sponge, not because of the foundation. Yes, so I would say that this is like, you can build it up to a medium coverage, but that is it. You cannot really build it up to a full coverage. I don't want to keep adding layers on layers. But if you're looking for a really like inexpensive everyday foundation, example for school or for work, then I would recommend this. So again, this is the AOA Buildable Satin Foundation, and mine was in the shade Fair Ivory, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, it really matched me very well. I'm going to just apply some concealer and then I'll be right back to show you if this works with the powder. Actually blended out my concealer very well because I actually tried it to blend out my concealer, so that went really well. Let's see about powder. So I'm going to use a powder. It did set my powder and applied concealer much better, so I would just use this sponge to do that, but the rest I would leave it for my normal everyday sponges. Okie dokie. My face, when it's set, it looks all nice and properly done, so I definitely don't have that many complaints about the foundation, apart from, you know, the lack of coverage that it offers. But apart from that, I'm not really going to hate it that much yet. Let's see again how it goes through the video, because now we have some lip swatching to do. I'm going to do some face makeup, like bronzer, that's it, and I'll be right back. Funny story, the more I look at the foundation, the more I actually don't mind it. So the more I'm falling in love with it, which is strange. Even to apply my bronzer, it was okay. It applied the bronzer really well. So yeah, I'm not hating it. I remember that I had an AOA highlighter, which I absolutely loved when I tried it, and I'm going to try it again. This is the AOA Glow Baby Highlighter. But it was this beautiful natural highlighter, which I had tested out in my last video, and I absolutely loved it. It was so natural. So yeah, just going to blend that out.
It's gonna be shiny, baby.
But see, it's such a lovely, glowy, natural, everyday highlighter. So now, onto the fun part, which I absolutely love. We're going to be swatching some lip swatches, and we have these right here. So I'm excited to show you guys. So these lipsticks are the AOA Studio lipsticks, and we're gonna start. So the first shade that we have right here is shade 1337, and it's called Guava. And these are matte from what I can see. So this is Guava, and did you see how easy the application was? These are matte lipsticks, and I don't know, they're very pigmented, they're not patchy, they're not sticky, and yeah, it was a very easy application all at once. So far, so good. Let's go on to the next shade, and the next shade that we have is called Bikini. Again, very easy application. I like it a lot, and I mean, you can't go wrong for like $1. So yeah, and $1 is less. It's like less than €1 for us Maltese. So I don't exactly know how much $1 is in euro, but all I know it's less than €1. So yes. The next shade that we have, so this one right here that we're gonna try out, it's called Tiki. Whoa. So don't look at the application, because I know that it's a disaster. I was not expecting this color to be this vibrant, this beautiful. It's like a mixture of like burnt red or something like that. Wow. This is stunning. Absolutely love this shade. This is called Tiki, and so far it's definitely blew my Tiki away. Get it? Never mind. So this is the shade Tiki. Let's move on to the next one. For the packaging, I would say that I would have wanted a bit more with the packaging, because I feel like it's very, I don't know, plasticky. But apart from that, we're not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. If I'm not mistaken, the Shop Miss A products are also cruelty-free, so just so you know. Okay, so the next one that we have is called Reef. Okay, Reef is slightly lighter than Tiki. I don't know, when I see a shade like this, it reminds me of summer, and yeah, that's all it reminds me of. But again, like they've constantly been pigmented. I applied them only just like one layer, and they applied so nicely. They're not sticky. They're even easy to remove, guys. So yeah, this is called Reef. So now we're going to go to Flamingo. Okay, yeah, please guys, don't judge the application, okay? Yes, so I did not expect anything less from the shade called Flamingo. It's this beautiful, gorgeous fuchsia pink. If you love fuchsia pinks, then you definitely need to check these out. I will leave everything listed down below in my description box, so be sure to check it out. So yeah, that is the shade Flamingo. And you know guys, we only have 2 left. So we're going to apply the shade called Sangria. Okay, this shade is actually really pretty. I thought it would be slightly redder because it's called Sangria, but it's slightly pinker. But absolutely love this shade. This shade is something gorgeous, and I would really recommend this for Valentine's Day. I don't know if I posted this after or before Valentine's Day, but yeah, absolutely love the shade. So this one is called Island, and this is the last one. No. Oh no. Okay. So, because my camera cut me off. So this is the shade called Island. It's the final shade. Honestly, these lipsticks were the easiest to swatch because they were so easy to remove. Absolutely love them. Like I said, pigmentation is there. It's not drying. It's nice and matte. So if you like matte lipsticks, then these are the ones for you. And they're like $1, and they are cruelty free. So yes. Okay, so this was my video of Shop Miss A. Actually, this one, I've actually also gotten it from Shop Miss A, so just if you're wondering. They also have headbands as well. So yeah, definitely, I enjoyed all the products. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, press subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!